Okay na daw tayo sa bearing. Okay na tayo sa bearing. Okay, doon na pala tayo daw sa forward bearing and backward bearing. Okay. So, what is forward bearing and the backward bearing? Dito ba tayo natapos?
Tapos na din po tayo dyan.
Tapos na rin
na po.
Azimuth na. Okay pa, sige. Okay, so thank you. So, now we can now go to the azimuth. Ang sa azimuth naman, anong pinagkaiba niya sa bearing? So, the azimuth is being measured from the north or from the south. Katulad din ng bearing, di ba? Minimeasure natin siya as a reference from north and south. But here, the rotation of measuring the angle is always clockwise rotation papunta doon sa mini-measure mong angle. So let's say we have here the line AB. So kung gusto mong mahanap yung azimuth ng line AB, so let's say you need to find the azimuth line AB with a reference to north. So from north papuntang doon, so yun yung azimuth natin. So kung papunta naman sa south, eto papunta sa south, pag ganito, so ito yung azimuth natin from the south. Okay? So yan yung azimuth natin from the south. So ibig sabihin that the angle of the azimuth could be greater than 90 degree. Okay? So that's your azimuth. So we have here the azimuth of a line is its direction as given by the angle between the meridian and the line measured in a clockwise direction from either north or south branch of the meridian. So it depends if the reference line is kumuha tayo sa north branch meridian, dun tayo magsisimula. Pero kung pag sinabing magsimula tayo sa south branch meridian, dun din tayo magsisimula. So let's say we have here a line. We have north. We have here north, we have south, east, and west. So let's say we have here a line, AB. So pag gusto natin kunin yung azimuth nito from north, papunta lang tayo dito. And yung angle na na-form dito will be your north azimuth. Okay? If naman hinihingi is from the south, clockwise ulit. So ito na yung magiging angle natin for the south azimuth. So ibig sabihin, it could be less than 90 degree or it could be greater than 90 degree yung angle ng azimuth natin. Okay? So yun yun. Next, let's have here an example of the azimuth from the north line. So as you can see, meron tayong line. This is our O. Let's say OA. We have line OB, line OC, and line OD. Hanapin natin yung mga azimuth from the north line. So here, from the line OA, given dyan, as you can see, simula tayo sa north, papunta doon sa line OA. Kung ito yung line OA natin. Diba? So, as you can see here, meron tayong given na angle na 51 degree, 13 minutes, 22 seconds. So, as you can see, diba, ito rin yung bearing angle niya. And ito rin yung azimuth angle niya. But, in azimuth angle, wala na tayong northeast or southeast. Ito na yon. 51 degree, 13 minutes, 22 seconds of the azimuth north meridian. Okay? So, yon. Next, line OB. Ano naman daw tong azimuth na to kung galing tayo sa north? So, galing sa north, papunta dito. Okay, ano daw yung angle na yan? As you can see here, eto yan. From north, papunta dito. It has an angle of 151, 53 degree, 26 seconds. So, for example lang yan ha. So, yun na yung magiging azimuth natin. And then naman, line OC naman. So, line OC. So, we have here the line OC. So, papuntang north. Okay, papunta tayong north. Ay, simula north, papunta sa line OC clockwise. That would be your azimuth. As you can see, meron tayong 212 degree, 59 minutes, 13 seconds. Okay? So, for example, kunin natin yung bearing ng OC natin. So, di ba, simula tayo sa south. So, ito yung bearing niya. So, ma-minus lang natin siya by 180. Makukuha natin yung bearing. Okay? How about the line OD? So, the line OD here, nandito yan. This is your D. So, simula north, papunta doon sa line OD. Ano yung angle na yan? So, for example, meron tayong 341 degree 0 minutes 47 seconds. So, that would be our azimuth. So as you can see, kahit walang northeast, southeast, kaya mo pa rin i-identify kung saan yung location ng mga line natin. Because hindi lang tayo less than 90 or hindi lang tayo naka-boundary doon sa 90 degree. So let's say ito, 341 degree. Alam natin na sinukat natin siya from the north line. So mag-rotate lang tayo ng 341.07 degree, kaya nating locate yung line OD natin. 'Di ba? Kahit hindi sinabi na northwest siya. Okay? Kasi kung bearing lang, 'di ba, ang bearing kung simula tayong north dito, hindi natin alam kung saan yung location ng line OD natin hangga't hindi natin sinasaad kung northwest siya or south this is east or southeast siya. 'Di ba? So, yun yung pinagkaiba ng azimuth. Kahit yung azimuth walang northwest or southeast or whatever, kaya natin siyang i-locate kung saan yung location niya because hindi lang siya nalilimit sa 90 degree. Okay pa? How about sa south? So, pag sa south lines naman, simula ka sa south, papunta doon sa line. So, for example, this is your line OA. So, from the south, magme-measure ka from your line OA. We have here at 231 degree, 13 minutes, 22 seconds. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag ang pinagkaiba lang ng azimuth from the south lines and azimuth from the north lines, pag sinabing north lines, palagi ka magsisimula sa north meridian mo. Pag azimuth from the south lines, ibig sabihin magsisimula ka palagi pag measure ng angle sa south meridian mo. So, ganun lang yun. So, in OA, we have that. OB, so this is your OB. Nandito yung OB natin. So, from the south, measure lang tayo papunta sa line OB. So, OC nandito. So, from the line natin sa south papunta dito. So, we have here the 32 degree, 11 minutes, 34 seconds. From the south naman, we have line OD. So, measure lang tayo from south to line OD. Okay? In determining the di ba, when we determine the backward and forward bearing ng isang line, nag-iiba lang yung direction nung natin or location. So let's say, di ba, forward bearing ng line AB, we have northeast 43 degree 25 minutes east. Pero pa nag-back bearing ka na, as you can see dito, north east baga ito. Pag backward bearing ng line na to, magiging na siyang southwest. As you can see, the direction flip or nagbaliktad na siya. So, ganun yung forward bearing and backward bearing. Pagdating natin sa azimuth, iba yung natin, pag-determine ng forward and backward azimuth. Meron tayong dalawang rules. If yung forward azimuth of the line is greater than 180 degree, subtract 180 degree to obtain the back azimuth. So for example, the line AB has a 185 degree of a azimuth. So ima-minus natin siya sa 180 degree para makuha yung back azimuth. So yung 5 degree dito will be your back azimuth. Okay? So for the rule number 2, when forward bearing, so forward bearing natin of the line is less than 180 degree, add 180 degrees to determine the back azimuth. So let's say we have line AB and we have 90 degree, not 90 degree, let's say 65 degree. Okay, so let's say ito yon 65 degree from north, ito 65 degree. So pag nagkuha ka ng back bearing natin, so pang north naman, kailangan mong mag-add ng 180 degree, di ba? So ito, as you can see, this is your 180 degree and ito, di ba, is your 65 degree. Di ba? Etong angle na to, this angle, okay, will be also equal to this angle. So para makuha mo yung back azimuth, which is ito, magdadagdag tayo ng 180 if yung forward azimuth natin is less than 180 degrees. Okay? So let me have an example here. Okay. So we have here, wag niyo muna itong pansinin para hindi makalito. We have here an observed azimuth from the south. So for the line AB, so line AB, eto yon, the forward azimuth from the south. So simula sa south, yung forward azimuth niya raw is 242 degree 51 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay? Okay po. So we have, wait lang po. Okay. So, yun. And to determine the backward azimuth, so ang backward azimuth, di ba, mini-measure natin siya. Dito yung backward, ito yung forward azimuth. Ito yung pang-back natin, di ba? Yun yung ano natin. So, kung ito yung south, ito yung magiging backward azimuth natin. Since, di ba, greater ito sa 180 degree, ibig sabihin, magma-minus tayo dito ng 180 degree para makuha yung backward azimuth. Okay? So, we have 242 degree, 51 minutes, 5 seconds minus 180 degree. Meron tayong nakuhang 62 degree, 51 minutes, 5 seconds. Ito yung back azimuth niya. Okay pa? Okay, nakukuha. So that will be your back azimuth. Pag nasa line BC naman tayo, line BC. So this is your line BC. Ito po yung progression. Ito yung papunta yung ano mo, yung measurement mo from line AB papunta ka ng line BC. So ibig sabihin from south, magme-measure ka ng azimuth. So, meron tayong given na 321 degree, 19 minutes, 33 seconds. So, it is greater than 180 degree, right? So, para makuha yung backward azimuth nito, diba? Ang backward azimuth nito, magsisimula siya dito. So that will be your back azimuth. Diba? Ito yung back azimuth natin. So paano natin ito i-compute? Since this is greater than 180 degree, magma-minus tayo ng 180 degree para makuha natin itong angle na to. So 321 degree, 19 minutes, 33 minutes, seconds, minus 180 degree, meron tayo nakuha 141 degree, 19 minutes, 33 seconds. Okay? How about naman sa line CD? So the line CD here, yung azimuth niya from the south measure 255 degree, 37 minutes, 29 seconds. Anong gagawin natin? Magma-minus or magpa-plus ng 180 degree? Magma-minus or magpa-plus ng 180 degree? Anyone? This is your south. Measure natin yung angle na tong line CD natin. Yung line CD natin, meron daw azimuth na 255. So, nandito na yung line. 255. Kunin natin yung back azimuth nito. Ito yung back azimuth. Diba? Since this is greater than 180 degree, so ima-minus lang natin siya ng 180 degree. So minus 180 degree here, meron tayong nakuhang 75 degree, 37 minutes, 29 seconds. Di ba? So, yun na yung magiging back bearing natin dito. Okay? Okay. Next naman, we have line DE. So, this is your line DE. From the south, measure tayo ng the azimuth. So, meron tayo nakuhang 156 degree, 48 minutes, 26 seconds. So, etong line na to, ano yung back azimuth niya? So, ang back azimuth niya from the south, papunta doon sa line na to. That's your back azimuth. So, as you can see, this is less than 180 degree. Kaya nag-plus tayo ditong 180 degree para makuha itong back azimuth natin na 336 degree, 48 minutes, 26 seconds. Okay? I hope nakukuha. Malinaw ba? Did you get it? How to measure backward azimuth and forward azimuth? Okay.
Yes po.
Thank you. So, paano naman mag-calculate azimuth from the north? Okay, let's say from north tayo. Dito tayo magsisimula ulit. Dito yung from line AB, BC, CD, DE. Okay, diyan tayo magsisimula. So, magme-measure tayo from north. So, ilan tong angle na to? 'Di ba? Over siya sa 100, as you can see, hindi natin siya alam. But, as you can see, etong angle na to will be just equal to this angle, right? Diba? From our geometry, that the angle of this is just equal to the angle of this. Diba? Angle nito also equal to sa angle na yan. Same rin yan dito. Kung ano ang angle nito, it is just equal to this angle. Since alam natin itong angle na to, this is our backward azimuth from our south, di ba? Ito yun. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung magiging forward azimuth natin dito sa line AB. So, we have 62 degree, 51 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay? Next, we have forward azimuth. Ito, 62 degree, 52 minutes, 51 minutes, 5 seconds. So, ano yung back azimuth nito? So, ang back azimuth nito, di ba sa north na tayo nagme-measure, from north papunta dito. As you can see, this is less than, di ba? Less than 180 degree. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 180 degree para makuha yung back azimuth. So, 180 plus 62 degree, 51 minutes and 5 seconds, meron tayong nakuhang 242 degree, 51 minutes and 5 seconds. So, that would be your backward azimuth. Next naman, if we are measuring the line BC from the north meridian, so, eto, anong angle ito? What would be this angle? So, yun yung north azimuth natin. As you can see, okay, as you can see, that angle is just equal to this angle. Diba? That angle is just equal to this angle. Right? So, we have 141 degree, 19 minutes, 33 degree, 33 seconds. So as you can see, this is less than 180, right? So paano natin makukuha yung back azimuth niya? So from the back azimuth, of this one, eto, di ba nakuha na natin etong line na to? This line is just equal to this angle, right? So as you can see, this is less than 180 degree. gusto natin kunin yung backward azimuth. Yung backward azimuth nito from the north line is etong angle na to. So we just add 180 degree and makukuha natin is yung 321 degree, 19 minutes, 33 seconds. Okay? Next, we have the line CD. So, line CD naman tayo. So, sa line CD, as you can see here, makikita nyo that ito ang hinahanap natin na azimuth from the north. So, what is that angle? So, that angle is just equal to this angle, right? Equal lang yan sa angle na to. So, ibig sabihin, it is just equal to, yung forward bearing natin will be equal to the back azimuth from the south. So, we have 75 degree, 37 minutes, 29 seconds. So, since this is less than 180 degree, magpa-plus tayo ng 180 degree para makuha natin yung back azimuth. So, ang back azimuth nito is from the north papunta doon sa line. So, eto yon. So, ano yung angle na to? So, we have 180 plus 75 degree, 37 minutes and 29 seconds, meron tayong nakuhang 255 degree, 37 minutes and 29 seconds. Okay? Next naman, we have here the erase lang natin. As you can see here, sa line DE naman tayo. Line DE, etong line na yan. We need to get the azimuth from the north. So, azimuth from the north. So, dito tayo. Tapos, i-measure natin dito. So, ano yung azimuth na yan? From DE. So, di ba? It is just equal to the forward azimuth. Kung ito, di ba, itong angle na to is just equal to this angle. Right? Kasi itong angle na to dito is just equal dito rin. Okay? So we can say na itong angle na yan is just equal rin sa angle na ito. Okay? So equal rin yan. Okay? So balik tayo. So we have that. So isusulat natin itong angle na yan is equal to 336 degree 48 minutes and 26 seconds. As you can see, this is greater than 180. So mag-minus lang tayo ng 180 degree. So 180 degree, 336 degree, 48 minutes, 26 seconds minus 180 degree is equal to 156 degree, 48 minutes, 26 seconds. So, ito yung angle na yan. That's your backward bearing of the line DE. So, ibig sabihin, baka malito kayo pag may-measure ng forward bearing. Kung saan yung progression natin, doon kayo magsisimula. Like, let's say, line DE. Yung forward bearing, simula kayo dito. Yung backward bearing, dito kayo. Okay? So, ano yung nahalata nyo dito? What can you see or what can you observe kung ano yung pinagkaiba pa nag-observe tayo sa south and pa nag-observe tayo sa north? Ano yung nakikita nyo pinagkaiba? Ano yung nakikita nyo yung pinagkaiba? Yes, as you can see here, kung sa south natin, from the south natin, kung yung forward natin is 242, pag measure tayo from north, magiging back azimuth na yon. Okay? Kung sa south natin, nag-measure tayo sa south ng back azimuth. Kung mag-measure tayo sa north, magiging forward azimuth na yon. Okay? So, yun lang yung pinagkaiba niyan. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagme-measure kasi tayo sa field, una, nagme-measure tayo sa south. Tapos, to be checked na lang pa nagme-measure tayo sa north. Nag-re-checking na lang tayo. So, yun yung ginagawa natin sa field. Okay? So I hope malinaw na yung pag-determine ng forward and backward azimuth and ng bearing natin. So as I have mentioned last meeting, kaya kailangan natin i-discuss yung mga direction of line natin like interior angles, deflection angles, and yung mga bearing and azimuth to able to answer this example number 1 in the magnetic declination. Okay, let's have here the magnetic declination. Madali lang to. So, okay. Example number 1. Okay. Kung naalala nyo, yung magnetic declination is eto po yan. Meron tayong dalawang types na magnetic declination. Pag east declination, ibig sabihin, yung magnetic meridian mo is nag-decline from the east of our true north. Pag west declination, ibig sabihin yung magnetic meridian mo is nag-decline from the side of the west of the true north. So, pa-west siya. Okay? So, nagkakaroon tayo ng magnetic declination because of the magnetic field of the Earth. Since our compass has a magnetic needle and our Earth has a magnetic field, ituturo tayo nun sa magnetic meridian. So, that's why we need to discuss this one. Okay? Let's have here an example. The magnetic declination in locality is 2 degree 40 minutes east. So, drawing tayo. Okay? Hindi lang perfect yung paka-drawing ni ma'am. So, this is will be your true north. This will be your true south. Okay? And then, meron ka daw na magnetic declination in locality of 2 degree 40 minutes east. So, saan siya? East or west? Di ba? Nakasulat dito east. Ibig sabihin, yung magnetic meridian natin is nag-decline. So, eto yon, drawing natin. This will be your magnetic meridian, which is nag-decline siya by 2 degree 40 minutes. 2 degree 40 minutes of our east. Determine the true bearing and the true azimuth reckoned from the north and south of the following lines whose magnetic bearing are given. So let's say meron kang line AB. Yung line AB given yan. So yung line AB natin is a magnetic bearing. Okay? So northeast. So lagay tayo dito ng isang quadrant pa. So, lagay tayo dito. So, will be your east. This will be your your west. Okay natin. So, this will be your west. So, north is 25 degrees. So, nandito yung line AB natin. Gamit tayo ng iba. Line AB. So, could be your line AB. So, meron daw siyang magnetic bearing. So, ibig sabihin, magnetic bearing, ibig sabihin nun, yung reference line niya is the magnetic meridian. So, ito yung angle na yan. This is your magnetic bearing, 25 degree, 40 minutes. Okay pa. Magnetic bearing, hindi yun true bearing. Kasi kung true bearing, simula ka sa true north, papunta ka dito sa line. Pero hindi sinabi na true bearing yon. Okay po. So, this will be your magnetic bearing. Ang pinapahanap is true bearing. Ito yon. Lagay natin. Yellow na lang. True bearing. Ito yung pinapahanap sa atin. The true bearing. The yellow line. Wait. Erase lang natin itong isa. Okay. Next, pinapanap sa atin, true bearing. Yan. Yan yung true bearing natin. Let's say this is your raw. Okay. And next, pinapahanap sa atin is true azimuth from north. So true azimuth from north of the line AB. So papunta tayo dito. Ito rin yun, di ba? Same rin. Your azimuth from your north. So this is your azimuth from north and azimuth from south. So if this is true azimuth from south, ito yung angle na hinahanap natin for the true azimuth of the south. Okay? So let's solve for first for the true bearing. So for the true bearing, let's say rho lang siya. Rho is equal to, di ba given etong angle na to, di ba given yan, and given etong angle na to, di ba para makuha yung true bearing, i-add lang natin. We have 25 degree, 40 minutes, plus the magnetic declination of 2 degree, 40 minutes. Meron tayong ilan? Meron tayong ilan?
$28.20.
So we have 28 degree, 20 minutes. Okay? Since this is bearing, lagyan natin ng ng direction. North, east. Okay? So yun yung true bearing. How about the true azimuth from north? So, di ba, magme-measure tayo from the true north meridian. So, papunta dito, papunta doon sa line. Which is also equal doon sa true bearing natin, right? Equal lang siya sa true bearing natin. So we can say, let's say for example, yung true north azimuth natin, the true north azimuth is also equal to 28 degree, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay? So yun yung magiging natin. True azimuth. How about the true south? So pag true south naman, galing tayo dito sa south, papunta doon sa line na minimeasure natin na AB, right? So we have, di ba, alam natin that this is 180 degree. So mag-add lang tayo. So for the true south azimuth, we will have 180 degree plus etong angle na to. Itong angle na to, di ba? I-add lang natin itong angle na yan. Ilan yung angle na yan, di ba? Nakuha na natin yung kanina. That would be 28 degree. So, plus, we have plus 28 degree, 20 minutes. So, we have, ilan to?
208 degree.
208 degree, 20 minutes. So, ganun lang yung pagkuha niyan. So, ayusin natin yung illustration natin para mas malinaw. Erase lang natin. Okay, wait lang. Erase lang natin. Okay. Ba't ang tagal ma-erase? Okay, so ulitin lang natin. We have ito yung true north. This is your true south, this is, and this is west. Tapos daw, nag-decline ka ng 2 degree. So we have here a 2 degree. Ito yung magnetic meridian mo, no? 2 degree, 40 minutes. Tapos, meron ka daw line AB. This will be your line AB, for example. Ayusin lang natin ito. Okay. Para mas malinaw. This will be your magnetic meridian. Okay. So, yung line AB natin has a magnetic bearing. So pag magnetic bearing, simula ka sa magnetic papunta doon sa line AB. So ito daw 25 degree ito and 40 minutes. So para makuha yung pinapakuha na true bearing, pag true bearing, simula ka rin sa true. True north, measure mo tong angle na to, that will be your true bearing, which is nagkataon na equal rin siya sa true north azimuth natin. Di ba? Nag-equal rin siya sa true north azimuth natin. And then naman, yung true azimuth from south, i-measure natin from south papunta sa line AB, which is this angle. Okay? So, yun. And then, meron tayong itong solution. Ito yung nakuha natin kanina. That the true bearing of the line AB is equal to north 28 degree 20 minutes east. True azimuth from north of line AB also equal to 28 degree 20 minutes east 20 minutes. True azimuth from the south line AB, it is just equal to 180 degree plus 28 degree 20 minutes. We have 202 degree 20 minutes. Okay? How about this letter B? What if meron tayong line AC that is southeast? So, solve natin to as your example number 2. Yes po.
208 po pag-ata. Dapat
208. Okay po. 208. Should be 208. Yeah. 208. Pa. Okay, sorry. We have 208. Okay pa. So, is there any question with our example number 1? Okay, now let's go to example number 2. For the example number 2, ang given doon, meron tayong, this should be 55, south 55 degree 12 minutes east. Meron tayong given. So, ayan, kinrect na natin, 55 degree 12 minutes natin. So, this is southeast. So, same rin, meron din tayong declination of 2 degree 40 minutes. So, drawing ulit tayo. Una mong i-drawing is yung true north and true south mo. So, we have here, here. So, this is your true north, this is your true south, this is your east, and this is your west. Then, meron ka daw magnetic declination of 2 degree and 40 minutes. So, that would be your magnetic meridian, naka-decline. So, nandito siya. Yan. So, this would be your 2 degree 40 minutes. Tapos, eto, this will be your magnetic meridian. And then, meron ka daw line AC. This would be line AC. So, yung line AC mo is 55 degrees southeast. So, this is your south. This is your east. So, nandito yan, 55 degree. Diba? This will be your galing dito, this would be your 55 degree 12 minutes east. Diba? Magnetic bearing ito, magnetic bearing. So, simula sa magnetic, papunta doon sa line AB, yun yung magiging magnetic bearing natin, which is 55 degree 12 minutes east. Okay? This is your line AC. AC. Okay? Ang pinapahanap is the true bearing of line AB. So, true line of AB, saan tayo mag-measure ng true bearing? From north or from south? Anyone? Saan tayo mag-measure ng true bearing? From true north or from true south? Anyone? Any guess?
True south po, ma'am.
Yes, we will measure it. Yes, very good. So we will measure it from our true south. So eto, ano yung angle daw nito? So true south papunta sa line, this will be your true bearing. So this will be your true bearing. As you can see, this angle of declination na 2 degree and 40 minutes is also equal to this angle. Diba? Equal lang yun sa angle na yan. So, paano natin siya isi-solve? Yung angle na true bearing, we will just have 55 degree, 12 minutes minus itong angle na to. Yung maliit na angle. Diba? Yung maliit na angle na yan is 2 degree, 2 degree, 40 minutes para makuha mo lang itong angle na to. Ima-minus natin yung angle na to. But, di ba given yung angle na yan, which is 55 degree, 12 minutes. Okay? So, 55 degree, 12 minutes minus 2 degree, 40 minutes. Meron tayong south 52 degree, 32 minutes is. So, south east. So, south east. Okay? Okay. Clear? Clear ba? Okay, erase lang natin. So, nakuha mo na yung true bearing natin. Kunin naman natin yung true azimuth natin from north. Unahin natin yung from north natin. So, ibig sabihin, simula tayo sa north, papunta sa line. Sa true north, papunta sa line. Ano yung angle na to? Let's say, lagay natin omega. Ano yung value ng omega na angle na yan? So, di ba? As you can see, nakuha na natin tong angle na to, which is 52 degree, 32 minutes. And we all know that etong lahat na yan, that omega plus etong angle na to, na 52 degree, 32 minutes, is just equal to 180. Diba? So, we can say that the angle omega, or the angle, the true azimuth from the line AC is equal to 180 degree minus this true bearing na 52 degree 32 minutes. Okay? So, we have a true azimuth from north, which is 127 degree 28 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay? So, yon. Next, after nakuha na natin yung true azimuth natin, let's get the true south azimuth. The true south azimuth. So, papunta tayo, simula sa south, papunta tayo sa line AC. Ano yung angle na yan? What is that angle? So, di ba, alam na natin etong angle na to. Diba alam natin yung angle na yan? Itong angle na yan. That would be your omega. Diba? Erase lang natin para mas malinaw. Erase lang natin. Erase pa natin to. Malinaw lang sa figure. Okay. Diba? We already know this angle. That this angle is equal to the omega, which is yung omega natin is equal to 127 degree, 28 minutes. And also, alam natin that this angle is equal to 180 degree. So, i-add lang natin 180 degree plus etong omegang ito, which is 127 degree, 28 minutes. So, we have AB is equal to 180 degree plus 127 degree and 28 minutes, meron tayong 307 degree, 28 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay? So, lagay natin, ayusin natin, ilagay na natin siya. Okay? So, we have here our true north. This is our true north. This is our true south. Meron daw nag-decline na 2 degree. So, decline natin lang. So, meron declination na nangyari na 2 degree. So, ang declination natin, again, mini-measure natin siya sa true north, papunta dun sa meridian line natin. So, we have here 2 degree, 40 minutes. And then, we all know that yung angle na yan is just equal to this angle, right? This is also 2 degree, 40 minutes. And then meron daw tayong line AC, that the line AC is from the south 55 degree and 12 minutes. So south 55 degrees. So ito, which is ito daw magnetic bearing. So simula tayo dun sa magnetic meridian natin. Ito yung angle na yan. That angle is equal to 55 degree 12 minutes. Ang pinapakuha sa atin is the true north or true bearing. So for the true bearing, eto yon. Simula tayo sa true meridian papunta dun sa line AC natin. And then pinapakuha rin sa atin yung true azimuth from north. So papunta dito, etong pinapakuha sa atin. That's your true azimuth from the north. And then pinapakuha rin sa atin kanina is the true azimuth from the south. So this is your true azimuth from the south. Okay, so yun. We just minus and add and analyze the angle. Okay, so we have that solution. Naintindihan ba? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear. So I hope it is clear enough for you to understand the magnetic declination is. And hanggang dito lang yung discussion week number 3 natin. So let me stop my share screen first. By the way, I have prepared, share lang ako ng new screen. Nag-prepared ako ng activity for you to see for yourself kung nakukuha nyo ba yung topic natin for the magnetic declination. This is black D, right? So here is your exercise number 3 to be submitted on August 28, 2021. We have here the magnetic declination. So kung doon kanina sa east tayo, eto naman sa west. So you can try this one, and then meron rin tayong given na magnetic bearing. So it is composed of 30 points. So you can answer this one. Serve as your exercise number 3. And on Wednesday, we will have our quiz number 1. Okay po. We will have your quiz number 1, and pagkatapos ng quiz number 1, we can now proceed for our traverse survey. So wag nyo na muna itong pansinin traverse survey. I-discuss natin yan on Wednesday and Friday or Saturday. Okay? So yun. 1.5 hour is for our quiz, and another 1.5 hour is for our traverse survey. Yung traverse survey, dito nyo na yung ma-apply yung azimuth and yung bearing natin. And also yung interior angles and deflection angles. Dito natin, ito yung application nung pinag-aralan natin dito sa measurements of the direction and angle. So that's why we need to discuss this first before etong traverse survey. Okay? I hope, yes, tomorrow we will have our quiz. Week 1 and week 2 lang naman. Hindi kasali yung last discussion natin. Week 1 and week 2 lang. Okay po, week 1 and week 2 lang yung coverage ng quiz natin. Okay po.
Ma'am, do we have to draw pa po dun sa activity, or so yung computation na lang po?
Pwede man po mag-draw para masanay na kayo.
Okay po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay po. Is there any question po?
None.